right now. Good luck, man. Appreciate you grabbing those boxes. Only seen Mize and Bowman. Well, he has autos in this product, though, right? Right, first up, at a 49, Kevin Sanchez. We got a backwards card. Usually we don't have backwards. Out of 50, Lionel Sanchez. Another Sanchez. And we got a on-card die-cut auto to 75. Steel Walker. Back to always the base to 9.99. Wade, Ponte, and Daniel Lynch. 34th overall for Lynch. Who does? Who sounds like that? You got Grant out of 100. Another first round pick. Out of 75, die cut. Valenci Delgado. Oh, Steel Walker. Steely Walker. Base auto Andres Munoz. DJ Peters. He's a good one. And Wander Franco. This guy is really good. This is the guy you want. He's like one of the top players to pull in this product. What's up, Summit? Out of 75, blue, Omar Florentino. On-card auto, Daniel Lynch. First rounder. And a Prospect Materials, 10 of 49. This card's thick for a one-color patch. Jose Siri. Christian Santana. And Jake Irvin, Contenders Refractor. What up, Sean? Josh Stowers. Out of 40 or out of 150. And our RPA, 27 of 49, Akil Badu. I swear you had to have at least 3 RPAs of this guy. This guy Came out so often. Surprised it's only a 1-color patch too out of 49. VASTEELA Boo. On-card auto to 25. Tristan Pompey. 2 of only 25. Nice. Janesta. Heard he was good to 9.99. And Omar Florentino again. I don't know, Sean. Where are the 1-of-1s? They're in your package. That's where they are. Kybert to 7 or to 99. Sean asked where the 1-of-1s are. Here is a 1-of-1. 1-of-1 Gage Zyle. Jeez, nice. This kid's only 15 years old too. 15U. That's how old he is. This guy he probably won't be drafted till like 20, 21, or 22. This guy's a young prospect. That might be a really big hit too. 15 years old. He's already signing cards. Very nice. Wow, look at that. What a pack. 4 of only 10. Look at that logo. Prospect material. That's nice. Cal Quantrill. Nice pack. That's what we're talking about. Anthony Siegler. 23rd overall. And an Alec Baum. 2nd overall. Or 3rd. Yeah, 3rd overall. Refractor rookie. Damn, what a pack. Nice pack. Greg, did you know that we pulled 7 1-of-1s last night? We pulled 7 1-of-1s. That's pretty sick. Yeah. We pulled like 5 boxes in a row. 5 boxes in a row had like... It was ridiculous. Not all 7 came from this product though. I think 6 out of the 7. And then there is 1 from Leaf Flash Football. What up, Craven? Yeah, Sean, all the boxes are gone. Good luck on the next box. Out of 99, Luis Gill. And Jonathan Bautista. Auto. Is that Jose's brother? Out of 25, nice. On card, 2 of only 25. Lyon Richardson. Gregory Duran. Please stop wearing eye black like that. Jesus Christ. And Griffin Conan. Yo, Craven, you ready to get that basketball filled up tomorrow? or Saturday. Out of 150, Grayson Rodriguez. We got another Bautista, Saul Bautista out of 50. Another guy wearing the eye black like that. What is up with that? That is not the style. What are they thinking? Or tonight? Out of 25, 1 of 25, Sean Jelly. This guy's... Heard about this guy. Sean Jelly? That guy looks like he's freaking 8 foot tall. Jeez. Urbina to 9.99. And Dunez, 9.99. Henry to 100. Nice. This guy's big. Nolan Gorman. On card auto. Too bad it's only the base. Still a big player though. Nolan Gorman. 19th overall. Cabrera to 149. Dual patch. Junior San Quentin 9.99 and refractor Brady Singer. I think he's on Kansas City. Nick Schnell 99. This guy's good too. RPA. Samir Dunez to 2.99. On card auto Alec Thomas. That guy looks like he's about 10 years old. Joey Bart to 9.99. Nice. Second overall. And Sandy Baez. Last pack. Well, be a nasty patch. Victor to 150. Well, we had Henry and now Victor. What is up with that? From Cuba. Contenders auto, Andre Palante. Pitcher. Contenders. That's number 2 of 25. And a dual patch. 8 of 49, Brandon Marsh. Roger. Ryan Jeffers to 9.99 and Caden Greener. Victor. Last box mojo, box 19. Good luck, good luck, good luck. I want to see like one of these patches. I want to see a 1 of these patches. That's what I want to see. I want to see like what they would put on the sides. Jumbo tags or something like that. Right. Die cut to 99. Simon Woods Richardson. Out of 100, Taylor Hearn. Oh, see, this is. See how it says Pittsburgh? You can barely see that. And then they crossed it out and they put Texas. I thought that was an error. We had that in a different box. Apparently it's on all of his cards. Team must have taken him and they're like, nah, we don't want that kid. That guy, his name is Taylor. Luis Almanzar. Dual patch. Micah Bello. And a Jeremy Ironman for the A's. Brady Singer to 150. And we got a plate 1 of 1. Who is that? I'm not gonna lie, that auto is really bad. Like, what is that? Luis. Oh, is that his brother? And Carcino. Is that the Blue Jays player brother? Maybe. The bye Cardinals cards. And Connor Pilkington on card auto. Tristan Pompey. Jordan Alvarez to 999. Out of 100, Ethan Hankins. 35th overall. Yeah, I heard that guy was good. Yandel Mateu. This guy's all over the product. I didn't know his auto looked like that, though. Just his last name. Kevin Sanchez to 100 on card. Pittsburgh. Our filler card in every box. To 999 on both of them. Owen White and Kyderson Avon. Okay, now this kid looks like he's about 12. Tell me that kid ain't like 12 years old. What the heck is that? He might be 12. The 75, Jake McCarthy. Oh, this one's different. Chris Haddock on card. This was, I think, last year's version. No, this is 2016. So they put some of the 2016 stuff in there. To 99, Nick Senzel. A nice patch on the bottom. 44 of 99. Daniel Brito and Ryan Weathers. Last pack. Be a banger. Should be the RPA. I mean, we did have one box without an RPA. But this should be the RPA. We got Reed Scholar to 150. And then look at that RPA. Nice 3-color patch to 25. Carter Kaiboom. Isn't that a good player too? Carter Kaiboom? The name is very familiar. 3 of only 25. That guy sounds familiar. Lucan Baker on card. St. Louis. Jeremy Tina 999. And Mason Denenberg 27th overall. Very nice. A 2 1-of-1s out of 3 boxes. Not bad. I feel like this one could be a really big one. He's only 15. We pulled a 15-year-old. I think it was out of 5 in another box. And that card was worth like the box alone. I forget what the guy's name was, but like his stuff was going big. I mean, he's only 15, so it took a while until he's even gonna play. He's in high school. Yeah, no problem, dude. I appreciate grabbing those boxes for sure. Forgot about the logo patch too. Out of 10. Not really a logo, but like a tag. Yeah, I'm gonna look up when Carter Kaiban was drafted. Now let me look at the corners. Corners look good. I bet the corners would be a 9.5. The top left doesn't look perfect. Everything else looks good. Centering looks really good. Yeah, it looks good. Freaking sick. Definitely don't grade that plate though. That auto is It has like a smudge on it, the like some black smudge, then there's another part of the auto coming in from the right side. Like shit. I mean, it's not like anything bad on the top left. It's just like I can tell that they would not give that a 10. But it'd for sure be like a 9.5. Really? His out of 5 one for 75? Damn, dude. I mean, I could double that. That's sick. Yeah, like the person we pulled yesterday, his out of 5 was probably worth like around that, like around with the box, like maybe a little bit more, but I mean, if you think about it, you post that shit hella high. Post that for like fucking $300 or so. He's not gonna be in any other product. This is the only product he's gonna be in. That's what's special about this product. Is that the autos you're pulling in this product aren't gonna be in any other product. Like he's a USA player or whatever. He's on the USA team. He's not like a professional baseball player. Did I pull you a Wander Franco? See, I probably didn't know that. Because I pulled one the other day, and I didn't have it. I had it top loaded or whatever, and I put it into a mag because someone told me that his stuff was going big. I didn't even like react when I pulled it. I thought it was some other player. Because he's not in the MLB either. He didn't get drafted from like the Dominican Republic or something. So I figured those people don't really have value. Or maybe he is on our team, I don't know. No, it wasn't you because I pulled one yesterday. I pulled one yesterday too. Like I'm gonna post all these one of ones. I think we had like 8 or 9 in the case. Maybe even 10. I don't know about the first half, but the second half we had like 8 or 9. The first half was slack and we picked it up yesterday though. Like one of the RPAs was a one of one. It was the Houston Astros logo. Carter Kaiboon's on the USA team too, so he's good. That RPA he pulled. I'm trying to figure out when he was drafted. '28th overall, first round. Nice. The number 21 prospect. Nice. Jumbo. Damn, alright, man. Let's do it. Let's freaking do it. There's gotta be some fire in the jumbo because we didn't pull anything big in the first 4 boxes. I had a full case. I bought this case months ago. I haven't even opened a box in months from this product.